Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to drive e-pedal feature in the NISSAN X-TRAIL e-Power. Follow me. Firstly, let's start with the basics. E-pedal function is a special feature in the NISSAN e-Power cars, thanks to which you can drive with basically one leg. Accelerator pedal now has the power to accelerate and brake. When the e-pedal is enabled, when you accelerate, the car will drive normally. But when you lift the accelerator pedal, the car will apply strong brake via the motor, thanks to which it will regenerate the electricity for the battery. When you are using it for the first time, make sure to firstly learn how to do it, because the regenerative braking force is really strong. Now, take a look how it works in the drive. So now we've got the e-pedal turned off. Let's select drive. And now, let me make one circle. Now, I'm pressing the accelerator pedal, and now I'm lifting it. The car is still rolling. Now we will turn around, and I will turn the accelerator e-pedal on. Okay, and now watch how the car reacts when the e-pedal is on. Now I'm accelerating, and now I am lifting the pedal. As you can see, the car quickly decelerates and regenerates battery via motor braking. And basically that's how it works. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.